土曜日のお昼だね。朝はだいたい出かけて車のイベントに行くんだけど、今日はちょっと違うんだな。ここ左だな。
左だね。
今日は前からトヨタのミュージックファクトリーというのはあるんだよね、ダラスに。前から噂で聞いてたんだけど、月一度なんか面白い車のイベントをやるっていう、でことで今日そのイベントがあります。朝のイベントもあったんだけど、そこに行ってまたこっちに行ってまた帰るっていうのはこれだけに絞って、今日フェラリで来ました。なんか面白い車出てくるのかな。今日は楽しみよね。それよりもトヨタは結構ダラスの方にお金を落としてるもんね。トヨタミュージックファクトリーというからトヨタが作ったところなのかなこれから初めてなので、楽しみにしてます。よろしく。
かっこいいかっこいい。
かっこいい。いいね。いいね。リチャードがいたんだよ。こっちに来てって。Sir Richard, how are you?なんかかっこいい車があるといいけどね、今日はね、見てみたいよな。なんかいいのはないのか。どっかいい車があれば近くで止めたいんだけど、もう遅いから帰った人が多いのかな。もういなくて
誰もいなさそう。
黙ってランチしようか。
ピザ食べたい。
ピザ、美味しいピザ屋さんがあるよ、グルマオルディ。行ってみようか。じゃあ、こっちで止めようね。こっちで空いてれば。おい、あちゃん、何あれ。ホンダトゥデイ。うそ。ちょっとここに止めよう。かっこいいよ。あちゃん、あの車覚えてる？以前見たことあるんだよね。めっちゃいい。
人気だよね。
よかったこの車覚えてる方もいると思うんだけど、この車はホンダトゥデイ。俺ジョークでイエスタデイっていう、今日と昨日のことでジョークにさせてもらってたんだけど、これはね、かっこいい軽自動車ですよ。自分も全く詳しくなかったんだけど、この間見たらめっちゃいい車で、ハニーさんの車。Hey man, how are you? Good. To come across your car again right here today, out of nowhere. What a surprise! And I think you're the only, amongst all the supercars and a few supercars that are left, you got the only true Japanese JDM supercar, mini supercar.
Absolutely.
I love it. All-wheel drive, manual transmission.
Absolutely.
What's not super? But in fact, before all-wheel drive was popular, we got the real-time four-wheel drive right here.
Yeah.
What awesome. So nice to see you again, man.
Absolutely.
Can I tell you something? You've got one of, I don't know why people don't appreciate this car more, but they hear, with all the K cars that are being bought up around and people that are buying more K cars and we're doing all this, having fun with them.
Yeah.
This is the one of one.
It is actually.
There's none other out there.
Yeah.
We got more Auto Sams in town and more Cappuccinos in town than we've got Honda Todays.
Absolutely.
Go figure that, man. I love this. Is this car not awesome, man?
Oh,
Huh?
man, I'm so impressed, man. This is just beautiful.
I'll tell you.
I've been all many states. I've never seen anything like this, man.
じゃあこれちょっと分析しましょう。この車、これはね、2D のハミングはいいよね。ハミングのところはこれは女性向きの車だったのかな。確かに
もしかしたら
日本で。でもね、この程度見て、色とこのハッチバックのこととこの程度見て、シートとあっちゃん軽自動車なのに ハニは背が高いんで乗れるもんな。小さいからって乗れないっていうことはないよね。マニュアルミッション、いいよね、いいよね。これまたちょっと運転させてもらえるのかな。あちゃん乗りたい？運転してみたい？まあ運転してみたい。これかわいい。ホイールもすごくいいんだよね。アフターになるのかな、このホイールは。なんかあれっぽくない？ボルクかなんかってあれのホイールっぽい。
ワークイモーション。
ワークのイモーションっぽいよね。
キムのホイール。
かわいいよ。めっちゃかわいい。カリパー見て。このぐらいしかない。軽自動車のカリパーが。ね、最近俺らはやってる車と比べるとかなりちっちゃいもんね。そして、じゃあ面白いの。ワイパーが1本の長いワイパー。2本じゃなくて。それで、あとこれ。面白いでしょ？ 1 個だけ。大体の車は2つがあるんだけど、これは1個で、このフロントガラスがすごいよね。フロントガラスもめっちゃ車の割にも大きくない？よく見えるよね、この車の中から。すごいと思わない？作りは考えてるよね、この日本の軽自動車のメーカーも。これはかっこいいよ。あちゃこれ珍しいオプションじゃない？これオフの窓スイッチ、これ自動これはオプションはあんまりないと思われるんだろう。あとエアコンがめちゃくちゃ効いてるんだよ、これ。すげえ。フェラーリより全然効くんだよね、これは。これで帰りたいんだけど、今日暑くて。
面白い
でしょ。いや、素晴らしい車だよ、これは。すごい。エンジンルーム覗きます。何がこれ？ 3 キット4キット
3
3キット2キット3かな。かわいい。123じゃじゃーん、3キット。このバッテリーがちっちゃい。かわいい。これもうかわいいよ。あちゃん見て、短くてこんなかわいいチビのやつはどこに？ここだ。面白いよね、作りが。ロックされるんで、そのままの平成2年っていいよね。25年超えてるからアメリカにあるんだろうと思うんだけど、マジエーターがちっちゃい。かわいい。バッテリーと全部ちっちゃくてかわいいけど、よくもう一台の車にこれはHoney, this is the more and more I look at this car, man, I say what a unique car and how clean and well kept it was, and you kept it now so beautiful here too. I mean, it is fantastic, man. It is fantastic. Everything about it. I mean, all the original stickers, everything. I mean, the air conditioning, blowing ice cold.
It has the Dingback sticker too, which is basically the American Carfax. And so that verifies that the mileage is correct.
And how much? What is the odometer reading on this car right now?
Right now it's at 71K.
71,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
45,000, 40 some odd thousand miles.
Right.
It's nothing. It's like a brand new, just breaking in. It's a fantastic, man. I hate to ask you again, but you're such a nice guy. I'm just gonna ask you. Take this thing around the block once.
Oh yeah.
Can I drive it again?
Yeah.
Can my kid jump in the back?
Absolutely. Why not?
Honda Today. Let's go for a little test drive. Yeah. ほら、8番で、かっこいいよ、これは。で、how does this go up again?
Okay.
You showed me last time the whole system.
All you have to do is push these two latches.
Yep.
And then this thing drops.
Oh, wow. And that's a cargo net, so stuff can't fly forward.
Nothing will hit you.
And look at all this room. Look at how big this is, how spacious this is. Let's see if two big guys and one little guy can get into this car. How's that?
Sounds good.
あっちゃん、この車にさ、彼がすごい詳しくて俺は知らないからいろいろ運転しながらちょっと教えてもらいたいところいっぱいあると思うけどWe gotta start with this though. I love that. K horns are just cool. Alright, 出発です。No, it's just an easy car to drive, man. It's just So easy.
And the wonderful thing is,
And I can't go out that way.
Oh, we can't go out this way because this is a K car. It goes go right in between those cones. Tell me about the Honda Today. A little bit about this car. What was this car made for? What did you learn about this car that's interesting?
so what these were initially done for was for commercial purposes. So
Okay.
it was considered what they consider in Japan a van.
Okay.
And so it was used for small runarounds for small business
Okay.
to be able to transport stuff in like an urban environment. This car
Yes.
that we're actually in is a 95.
This is a 1995.
Yeah.
Issei Mine. 1995. Yes.
And what's cool is this body style is the first gen body style.
Ah.
When the second gen cars came out,
Yeah.
they ended up making them more appeal for the female market.
Okay.
And so the car became a lot more rounded,
Ah.
and then it lost its hatch in the back.
Ah.
So it was not as useful.
Got it.
And so people over there still clamored for this car because this was a lot more practical and useful.
But you know, I don't think
cool.
you see many of these in Japan anymore today.
No.
I don't. You certainly don't see them here. Look at, is that the the shift indicating by speed?
It is actually.
That is interesting. So
Yeah.
you're saying you could take
So
you
you
could take
go
first gear up to
20.
25 or 30
Yeah,
kilometers.
exactly.
So I can take it up to there, and it feels like you're really winding the car by doing it.
Absolutely.
But that's the intended zone. I'm floored, by the way. We got 3 big guys in there, but that's their second gear.
Yes.
Wow! And then you can take third gear up to 80 kilometers or so, and then you got your fourth gear. And is this a 4-speed?
This is a 5.
This has 5 speeds.
This is 5 speeds.
How fast have you gotten this car up to?
120.
120. That's good.
But it's like on a downhill wind.
Do it. Were you doing this too?
Yeah.
No, I do that in my truck.
Go. It's more comfortable around 100 kph.
I'm sure it is.
Well, yeah.
Can I tell you though, this car drives so nice,
It does.
so smooth.
Yeah.
It's so clean. And I mean, you two guys are big. I'm not big, but you guys, I mean, it's not like you can say you got tons of leg room, but you got your seat all the way forward.
Yes, I
and
do.
you're 6 foot what?
I'm actually exactly 6 foot.
6 foot, and you're in here. We're
Yeah.
3 of us are in here.
Yeah.
It's and we're having fun.
Absolutely.
I love it.
Yeah.
Man, people just don't understand. They think you have to have a fast car. You have to have an iconic car, something that's got a name to go and drive and enjoy.
That's true. Yeah.
More smiles, more thumbs up, more people who look at a car like this, I think, in my opinion, the K cars than even some of the supercars. For a really good price, you can have such an enjoyable car that make people smile, make you smile when you drive it.
Yeah.
It's hard not to smile when you drive this car.
Yeah.
Do you ever feel that?
Oh, absolutely. I'm always in a good mood when I drive it.
Air conditioning, power windows, manual transmission, 5-speed, cute, compact.
This gauge cluster,
Yes.
the steering wheel, those
Yes.
taillights,
Yes.
they're all basically borrowed from the Honda Active truck.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what I am seeing though? I'm seeing a lot of the real traditional Japanese type of things. I see the big coin, the little coin compartment here. You've got a glove box
I have
there.
a small glove box right here.
Boy, that is tiny, huh? You
It
better not
is.
have a lot of
I mean,
cash
what
in your
can
wallet.
you fit in this? A wallet? I mean, it's useless.
But where else? I hear there's other secret compartments all over.
So, this looks like a giant boring dash.
Yes.
But if you do this.
No way! Who would have known? Look at that.
Yeah.
That is
then
awesome.
It has dual gloves. So basically, you got plenty of storage, and no one's ever gonna guess that this is actually gonna open.
Unbelievable. You know what, man? And that's what Japanese are so good at, is taking a little thing and making all the intricate, fine ways to make things work within such a tiny little, you know, the whole country's that way, really. It's a small country with lots of people. Everything, lifestyle has to be made to work that way. So the cars follow that, and man, they just pack just about a little bit of everything into this car.
Absolutely do.
I don't think I can call this car yesterday. This car is every bit today as it would have been yesterday. There's nothing old or feeling about this car other than it's just nostalgic in its sense, but it runs as good as any new car. It drives as nice as any new car. This one's been well maintained like most Japanese cars are. Being unique is special. This car, you can be as unique as you ever want to be.
Absolutely.
And that is cool.
Everybody is noticing the way Steve is shifting, the way the quality of the shifter, it's exactly like any great Honda. It's you always know that you're in a Honda by the way the car shifts.
It's smooth as can
Very
be.
smooth.
This is the Honda Today.
Might be
Yes.
the Honda tomorrow.
Nate,
The
this could be
future.
the Honda of tomorrow, right, kid? Nice one. Beep, beep. You just gotta love it. You just gotta love things. They didn't find it as humorous as we did.
No.
They're not having as fun of a day as we are. Here, we're floored. Let's see what second gear up to that 60 point is. That sounds like a lot of RPM, doesn't it? Woo.
Yeah.
And a little scraping too.
Yes.
All right. Man, honey, I gotta thank you again. I mean, when I pulled in just now and said, I wonder if we're gonna find something cool to kind of hang out and play with today and find a car. When I saw this car again, I said, man, and I saw you, and I like you, you're a nice guy, and we became friends over a car like this. You think about how connections are made. It's awesome, man. The car community is awesome. The JDM community is awesome. You're awesome. You Make Cars is an awesome company here in the DFW area with a nice, honest guy running it. And if you guys are looking for a JDM car, something different, something unique, come talk to my friend Hani here about what he does. Man, I gotta thank you again.
Absolutely.
An absolute pleasure. Thank you so much. And God, in some ways, I hope you don't sell this car because I'd love to come and see it again.
Yeah.
But listen, if you could share this beautiful thing with somebody here local who will then join our community and go out and do K stuff with all of us like we're doing,
I hope so.
we call it K Pride, man. That's my new thing.
Yeah.
Hashtag K Pride.
Absolutely.
This is what this is about. Then, man, awesome car. Thanks again, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.
That's perfect.
トヨタミュージックファクトリーなのに日産が多いんだよね。ホンダ、日産。まだトヨタはそんなに、スープラがあるんだ。あっちにもかっこいいスープラはあったんだけど、かっこいいよね。この色もいいよね。どんどん日本車が増えてきて、スープラもめっちゃ色いいんじゃない？かっこいい GTR だよね。これめっちゃいいよ。色がいい。カミリアンっていうのかな？色が変わる。
なんか Midnight Purple
あれなんで、前の東北もそうだし、でめっちゃいいよ。色がいいよね。